Two girls have got colds, hence all the snoring. All snotties and all coughies here. Hello. Have you just learned to do this, Gemma? Gemma's just learned to climb up on her knees. Haven't you? Into the cot. Just on her little knees. Very proud of yourself, aren't you? You've been having giggles, haven't we? Yeah. What? Oh, good girl, you grabbed on. Oh, grabbed on. Oh. She's still getting used to it. When she falls over, she gets a bit of a shock. You grabbed on that time. Oh. Boo. Where's Gemma? Oh. What are you doing, sweetie? Come over here. Come over here. Come on, Smileys. Come over here. Just try to get in the toy box. Come over here. Hello. Oh. You can see she's getting very fast even though she's doing her little froggy calls. He likes to investigate and check out everything. Here she goes. Where are you going now? Where are you going now? Are you going to the bathroom? Do you want to have a bath? Yeah. She says, well, Megan's asleep, I'll get in there and do lots of stuff. Oh, on her knees, look, we go. Very clever. Yeah. She's a bit puffy because she's got a cold at the moment. Oh, no, we don't go there. Gemma. Hello. Hello.